Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check if TOZO OpenEgo is still charging. So right now I am not really charging my charging case, but I'm gonna plug it in, plug the cable to just to charge, and of course once we do that we will see the information on the display on the charging case, and of course it disappears after a few seconds. Now my case seems to be fully charged, but let's say if it's still charging and I want to check the battery level, all I need to do is simply open the case, and if I do that for a few seconds, I will once again see the information on the display. In addition to that, we can also find some information about the earbuds on your device that you are connected to with your TOZO OpenEgo. So let's say if you use an Android device or your iPhone or something similar to that, you can, for instance, download the TOZO app, which is available in, let's say, the Play Store or the Apple Store. And if you add your device on the app, you will also see the information about your earbuds. So if you are wondering about the current state of your earbuds, you can open the case, connect them with your Android or your iPhone or something similar to that, if you didn't do that already. And then you can see the information about the earbuds over here as well. And in fact, you don't really need to use the app itself, because probably you will also find the information in the Bluetooth settings on your device. So as you can see over here, I have the information that the battery is 100%. So the app seems to be just optional. You can use it, but you don't have to. And in the Bluetooth settings, you should also find the information about the battery. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.